Hey everybody, welcome to Flowers Between Friends. I'm Georgia Edgington, lead designer here at LenBuschRoses.
And I'm Kristin Thomas, I'm marketing coordinator here at LenBusch. And what are we talking about today, Georgia?
Oh my gosh, we've got a number of things that we're talking about today. So we've got a featured item, we've got fall colors, and well, we'll get to that in a minute. Do we want to, okay, since we're in fall, should we talk about fall first?
Absolutely.
Okay, what do you have over there?
Well, Georgia and I were going through the cooler this morning because, I mean, let's be honest.
We're doing our cooler walk.
We're doing our cooler walk, and it is still considered autumn.
It is, yes.
I mean, we have a big holiday coming next week, and we have to give it homage. Respect it.
It is a big holiday, and it's one of my favorites. And we were both just saying, we're feeling so Christmassy right now, but yet we can't let Thanksgiving go.
No.
We still got a week before Thanksgiving.
And winter's long. Let's enjoy autumn as long as possible, because winter is long.
But, okay, this is off the topic, but, okay, because I've just got to ask.
We're good at this.
Yeah. I love Thanksgiving food. I really do.
Oh, absolutely.
What's one of your favorites? Can't say green bean casserole.
Oh, no, I don't like green. No, there's onions in there.
Can't say green bean casserole, so.
Won't say that.
Yeah.
Stuffing.
You know what, mine too.
Really?
Yeah, I'm a stuffing girl. So this morning we're driving to work, and on the radio they were talking about the two worst Thanksgiving foods, which you're going to be shocked by number two.
Okay.
The first one, again, of course, is cranberry sauce. The
second one that's my second favorite.
The second one is green bean bake, which everybody loves green bean bake. I was shocked.
I don't know what green bean bake is. I have no idea.
But for me, we're talking, and my husband goes, "Well, I know what yours is." Stuffing. Yeah. I love stuffing.
Yep.
I do, Kristin.
So yeah, good. Well, that's why we're friends.
Okay, so you're stuffing too. We're both stuffing.
Yep. And I love cranberry sauce. I could literally eat the entire. It has to be the one
with the whole cranberry.
Yes.
Yes.
The whole
cranberry.
I make
it homemade.
Yeah. No, I love it.
Yes. With a little
Give
bit
me
of
the
orange
bowl and the
zest
spoon
and cinnamon and cloves. Yeah.
Thanks. I'm hungry.
Now we're hungry for Thanksgiving food. Well, I hope that puts you guys in the Thanksgiving mood, because we're now going to talk about Thanksgiving colors.
So yeah, colors. This wasn't a plan, but these roses were so phenomenal. We had to grab them. We just got them in, and so I had to go and open up a box. But this one is called Atomic. Do you understand why? Like literally atomic.
An atomic
on fire.
Color.
Oh my gosh.
Gorgeous.
That has like that deeper red on the outside, and it kind of slowly eases into that orange in the middle. These are beautiful. I have not seen what they look like open.
Mm-hmm. They're stunning.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. They're actually radiant. And seriously, they are named correctly. Atomic is a great
gorgeous name. Sometimes they don't do so well, but they did well here in the naming.
That's perfect. Yeah.
And then Nina, is that the?
Yep, that's Nina.
Oh my gosh, you guys,
she's gorgeous. Here, do you want me to take?
Yes.
Okay, so these are just the colors that you really want this time of year. That Nina is just so beautiful, and red and orange are actually gorgeous colors to pair for your holiday and your Thanksgiving needs. And Sarah was having a hard time giving you a really good look at Atomic. So we're gonna woo! Unveiling. So come and take a look, Sarah. Hop in there. What do you think now?
Are you getting a little bit better?
Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful.
Okay. Let me see if I gently can set this down so I can show you the Ranunculus, which are also so pretty. I love these two together too.
I know, very pretty.
So we've got the orange and the purple here. We do, I think, also have some red.
We do. Some red elegance now.
Red elegance,
really
also.
Pretty.
Yeah, so really all three of those are beautiful. Yeah. I love Ranunc, one of my favorites.
I do too.
I know that it's people consider it more of a delicate flower, but honestly, I feel like in more recent times, the stems are thicker,
they hold stronger.
Up.
Correct.
Yeah, I feel like they're really long lasting.
Excellent call out, Kristin. They are. They really do hold up better than they used to. Stems are nice and firm, like you said, stronger stems. And
growers are doing it right.
Personally, I think they hold longer than what people give them credit for.
Absolutely. I've had one at home for a good week, and it was already kind of considered old, and it's held up well.
Yes, I don't shy away from using it, so please don't. And then we've got a few goodies over here that we want to talk about right now. You know how everybody loves LenBuschRoses, Astro, and lilies. Well, we've got the red lily right now, and it's just fabulous.
So pretty.
Look we've got a lot of them. Perfect color for this time of year. Along with our Solange, which is our kind of a fallish yellow that I just love. So isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah, two of our favorites.
Right?
Yeah. Yep,
so
agreed.
we have these right now, folks. So again, grab it in your cart, love them. You heart them, you love them, you want them,
the
you
red
use them.
obviously pulls in now, and then we'll move right into the next season.
Exactly, which you know that we want to, that next season that we love so much.
Yeah, for sure.
And then the chocolate and burgundy hypericum. We've got a lot of these right now. in Hypericum, this time of year, people really want the berries. So it's that perfect fall tone. So finish up, this next week using this purple and chocolate Hypericum. And then, of course, we've got a lot of silver bells right now. Eucalyptus pods. I love silver bells. They're just so much fun for decorating.
Georgia, do you ever use your silver bells in your porch pots?
Yes.
Okay.
I do.
Yep.
So go ahead and think that as well. But one last thing before we get to this fun featured item that we talked about. I'm gonna try to slide these in. Something new that I found today that in the cooler.
I know.
Look at, this is called Mocha Copper. Look at that. Isn't he crazy? I love it.
I'm not 100% on the name. Here we go with the name again.
I know.
Did you pick the right name for that?
Exactly.
I don't know, but
I see. I'm really seeing kind of some mauve-y hints of purple in here. I like the idea of mocha. I don't know that I would have put copper with it.
Right.
But anyway, regardless, that's what they're calling him. Regardless of what Kristin and Georgia think of the color.
We have no say.
The color goddess is here.
Right.
But he's beautiful.
It's very cool.
Perfect for this time of year.
Love that.
And we have him right now. So
pretty.
Again, and Sarah will put this code out there, won't she? She'll list it for us.
Sure, absolutely.
Yeah, sounds good. Okay, now we have a featured item.
Yeah, this is fun.
Take a look at this fun shimmered white tree fern. It's got a little glitter to it. Look at how beautiful.
Put it against your black, maybe. Is it better to?
Yeah, look at, isn't that lovely? Little shimmer, little glitter.
Georgia by accident left him out a little, so he may be drier than
he might be a little drier than exactly.
Yeah.
But so perfect for this time of year design. So I designed a Christmas arrangement as we're next week going to be moving into that, and I also popped some of it into a fall arrangement here too. So what a fun item, something different, and like I said, we've got it.
Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
It's here.
It's in stock right now.
So they want to get it into their stores and start using it in their design work.
I will say that I know it's called white shimmer, but I'm seeing gray.
Yeah,
gray, silver, gray.
It's kind of a silverishy gray, but there's white
that's
there
what's cool
too.
about it.
So take a look at it here next to with these elements. It definitely looks white, but you can pick up a little grayness as well.
Yeah,
so,
I like that.
It's very beautiful and fun texture. Gives a little whimsy.
And did we decide if it's dip dyed?
The glitter.
Dip dyed versus sprayed? I just noticed the bottom of the.
It's sprayed.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is definitely sprayed. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So I know the vendor that it comes from because I buy a lot of my sprayed for my design work, like the black one that I use at Halloween time. Same vendor, so it's all sprayed.
It is sprayed.
Yeah.
I really like this. And let me tell you, this is the last thing I would want to have to do is spray tree fern.
No, oh my gosh, I've had to do it sometimes, and it's horrendous.
Get it done for you. This is a nice ad.
And
it is something that I could see people saying, oh, what is that?
Right.
That is so cool. What is it?
It's an interesting flower. It draws you in. It's a topic of conversation flower.
Yep, great.
Or not flower, but green. And it's enhancing.
Yeah, I agree. Love that.
We like it. We like it. We love it. We give it a little heart. Yeah, we love it.
No, I'm being you.
You are, yes. Thank you. Okay.
So,
with that.
Yes.
What's behind us, Kristin?
I have no idea. I feel like, gosh, it's an empty greenhouse.
Wow, we're empty, yeah. No, not quite.
I know those of you, everybody loves when we spend a little time here in this greenhouse because, I mean, how can you not love the beauty of all of these beautiful poinsettias? And this is, I mean, tulips in here are our favorites, but this is our tulip house, which now is our poinsettia house. It's half and half, and they are looking spectacular right now. Yeah, and these are I think these are the 7.5 inch. There are some colors we're already sold out of, some sizes we're already sold out of.
Right.
So if you have not booked your poinsettias floral shops, do it now.
Do it now.
But
we still have some.
We do, and we sell out because our poinsettias are.
We are, like we're known for beautiful lilies and gerbs and alstra. We are known for beautiful and strong, hardy poinsettias, and they're here.
Yes,
and they're getting ready to go out big time next week.
They are ready.
Fabulous, yeah. And the color is just beautiful. And we grew up in poinsettias. What was the Christmas flower of our age?
You had
poinsettias, and it still is.
Absolutely.
It's just still a strong flower. So.
It's a nostalgic thing. I feel like it carries on tradition through the generations.
Right. And Christmas is one of the most traditional holidays. So.
Yep. Agreed. And if red's not your thing, we've got other colors too.
We have sprayed dyed ones.
Yeah.
And absolutely. And white. Remember our neutral?
Yeah.
Neutral naturals.
Neutral natural.
Actually, one that we sold out real quickly was the whites
Was
this
the
year.
white, yeah. I get it. Look at all of our home decor.
Exactly.
Makes sense.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, anyway.
Yes. Have a very happy and safe
Yes.
Thanksgiving, and we will see you right after the holidays.
Yeah. Have a great day, guys.